Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you some simple ways to automate tasks in Google Sheets. First, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. One of the easiest automation features is autofill. Type Monday in the first cell and Tuesday in the second cell. Select both cells, then drag the small blue square in the bottom right corner downward. Google Sheets will automatically continue the sequence with the remaining days of the week. Next, let's look at automatic calculations. Enter a few numbers in your spreadsheet, then use the sum formula to calculate the total. Now, change one of the numbers. As soon as you press Enter, Google Sheets automatically updates the result without needing to calculate it again. These simple automation features can save you time and make working with spreadsheets much faster. That's it. You now know how to use basic automation features in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.